Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Slowly app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Slowly is a unique social app designed for people who want to connect in a more thoughtful and less rushed way. Unlike instant messaging platforms, Slowly recreates the experience of sending and receiving letters. When you write a message, delivery time depends on the distance between you and your pen pal. The farther away the person is, the longer it takes to arrive. Just like traditional mail, many users enjoy the slower pace of communication. By waiting hours or even days for a reply, conversations often feel more meaningful and less superficial. The app pairs people from around the world based on shared interests, which makes it easier to build genuine connections with strangers. Users can also collect digital stamps from different countries, adding a fun, collectible aspect to the experience. On the positive side, Slowly is appreciated for encouraging patience, deeper conversations, and cross-cultural friendships. It's a refreshing alternative to fast, short-form communication apps. The interface is clean, and the app emphasizes privacy by allowing users to connect without sharing personal contact details. However, there are some limitations. The slow delivery system, while intentional, may not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer quick responses. Some users also mention that conversations can fade if a pen pal loses interest or stops replying altogether. While most features are free, premium options like faster delivery or exclusive stamps require a subscription. In summary, Slowly is worth using if you want a calm, intentional way to meet people from around the world and enjoy letter-style communication. It's less ideal if you're seeking instant chats, fast-paced interactions, or a dating-style experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.